In this video, we are going to explore some of the view types in Microsoft Word. So let's say I want to view this document in a book style or in a website style. I can customize these views right here. On the View tab, by default, it is set to the vertical format and to the print layout. But if let's say I want to read it as a book, this is a book, so I can change it to read mode. And then what happens is not only it makes it full screen, but also you can see multiple documents at the same page. You can read through all of this. This is the second page, just like a book. And if you want to turn the page of the book, you can just use this arrow key right here and you can access through different pictures. Similarly, if you want to go back to the original view, I can use the View tab from here and just simply go to the edit document. And now you are back on the original document. So you can download this file to practice along. Similarly, we can use the web layout to see that if we upload this data on the web, how it will look like. So it will look something like this. So if it is great, you can use this, how it looks in the outline. In the outline, it looks something like this. And we have all the views option right here. Similarly, let's say I want to make sure that we have placed the headers in every single page, or the writing style looks the same in every page. So what we can do is, if we want to split the documents into two so that we can easily compare, let's say the bottom of the document with the top of the document. So we can use the split feature for that. So you will apply the split here. And as you can see, there is a line. You can increase or decrease the size of the line. And then we can move this one or scroll this one separately, this part of the screen, and we can scroll this one separately. So let's say that you want something to be appeared in the same way on the starting of the document and at the end of the document. So if the document is too lengthy, we can compare it like this. Apply the split and then you can scroll it to the top and scroll this one to the bottom. And that way you can easily compare that. And even if you want to change the formatting, just by using the format painter option that we will explore later on, you can just simply go to the home tab and then just use the format painter. And let's say I want to apply it right here. So I want to copy this format and I want to apply it right here. So I can do this. Similarly, we have not only the vertical view, but side by side view as well. I'll just remove the split first and then explore the side by side view like this. You can apply it like this. So it almost looks like read mode, but the difference is it is not in the full screen. In the read mode, it shows something like this. So let's go to the edit document again. And guys, this is how you can use the different view types in Microsoft Word. Just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next one.